the nanny helping you? You're not allowed to help him!
Today we're doing a challenge. Which one of my sons can build Emma her dream house on Minecraft? Emma's gonna tour the house and she's gonna choose which house she loves more. But there's only one rule. Each of you have to put something in that house that Emma loves. Can you guys do it?
Yeah.
All right, ready, set, go!
Emma, are you excited to see your dream house?
Yeah.
Time starts now. He looks like he's working hard on this house. He is really into it, guys. All right, open your eyes.
Emma, look! Emma, open your eyes. Look, it's a dino.
Is that a house for Emma?
And this are some trees. This is her house. And that's Way. That's you. That's you. And that's Way. And look, Emma, cookies.
Wow, you went all out. Cookies?
Wait, did he just say cookies?
Do you want to eat them?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first tell me if you like the house. Do you like the house?
Yeah. Do you like Way? Yeah. Do you like these cookies? Yeah.
Ooh, he
Do
got
you
you.
like this cake?
He got cookies with Jace. Can you talk cookies?
And look, do you like all
Ah!
And look, oh, that's you. That's baby you.
That's baby Emma.
And this is a big dinosaur.
A dinosaur house with cookies, with Emma, with her dog. What do you think, Emma? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Let's see the house that Jace built you. Close your eyes.
3, 2, 1, open it. Look. Look at this. And we got a pool. She got some bodyguards.
Wow.
Emma,
Bodyguards.
3 bodyguards. There's dinosaurs, but this is supposed to be a pterodactyl. And then
Wow, Emma, look at that pool.
4 dinosaurs.
Wow.
And then
Let's see her house.
trees with like pink stuff.
Wow, flower trees.
There's like little rock for decoration. She has some flowers and then a pathway. And then if you go up here, oh, it says Emma's house too.
Wow.
Here's some storage for anything if she wants. And then cookies, water, some more cookies, some more water.
You want to eat them?
some more cookies.
All
and
right.
Some more cookies.
Wow.
And then if you go up here, there's some more cookies and water. And then there's Way.
Oh, he made way.
And then she has like a nice car.
Wow, Emma, look at that carpet and that bed. This is a tough decision.
And
This
then
is so tough.
a bed with books, candles, lanterns. She could cook herself some food, and she can make stuff.
Is this a tough decision or what? Yeah, you can wear those outside. All right, Emma, whose house is your favorite? Jace's or Blake's?
She doesn't know how to say my name.
All right, show her both houses and let her pick one.
Let me see your house.
Emma, which one?
All right, Emma, which house do you like better?
The tree's cute.
The dinosaur house or this house? Which one's your favorite, Emma?
Or the bodyguard. Emma, this one or that one? This one or that one?
No.
The
She pointed them on!
Did she point to the dinosaur house? Emma, which one's your favorite?
Oh, she can't choose.
She just said.
Oh, she said this.
She said eat it in my mouth.
I think Emma likes both of them. But which one do you like better?
She's pointing them on.
And the dinosaur house wins.